Today on the Point Blank Performance YouTube channel, if you're a 4th or a 5th gen Ram owner, you're gonna wanna listen up. Behind me, we've got Ron's truck. It's a C3 powered build 5th gen, but it's the future of our 5th gen platform. Why is that? Underneath the hood, it features every single billet aluminum part, plus one. It's made out of steel. Just like any truck on the channel, we want to see if we can battle these rigs out. We want to see if we can actually make more power. This truck's got 35-inch tall tires. It's got an S472 billet force induction turbocharger, 100% over fuel injectors. Oh damn. We've got a 12mm overdriven S&S CP3 pump. Sounds pretty familiar to what? The green wrap 5th gen that came in, that kicked ass, took names? The Hulk build. Check it out. Now guys, what is the one product that's so special? We've been featuring on the channel. It's been in R&D for 2 years. It's on the 88mm 12 truck, 1,000 horsepower ain't shit. You've been seeing it all along. We've been telling you, but today, now finally, it's on a customer's build. We're going to the Mustang dyno. We're gonna see if we can actually make more horsepower and compete against the Hulk build. What is it? Our billet tool steel exhaust manifold. Just done our first pull on Ron's C3 build on his S472 Cummins. Guys, this is a 5th gen unit. We got a lot of fuel. We got some air to play with. Ron has let me know he's got a goal of 900 HP out of this truck. Of course you would out of a S472. Keep in mind, we got a .90 AR housing, so a little bit smaller. The L5P that we done, Corey's, did 860. It had a 1.0 AR housing. That was a great number out of that truck. But the Hulk is what I'm after. The Hulk done 830 rear wheel horsepower. That's good out of this truck. We got pretty much an identical build to that. So right now, we just done a pull. We're at 497 rear wheel horsepower. Just a short baby pull on it. We're gonna check the log, see where we're at with fuel, see where we're at with timing, make a revision, bump it up, see how close we can get. 400 horsepower away. It's dyno time again, boys. Just finishing up with the second run on Ron's C3 built S472 5th gen Dodge Cummins. We're headed after that Hulk build, 830 rear-wheel horsepower. We are a ways away from it, but like all 5th gen builds, we're on the line meter down there, so we gotta start somewhere and then go to it. We've got parameters. Where are we at right now? We're still below 3,000 RPMs. I've started the truck at 2,200 RPMs. The transmission's liking it. You can see we got some fuel. Those dynamite injectors are kicking in, they're working. But now we gotta make for sure the rail pressure's holding. If the rail pressure's holding, which I know it's not, we gotta massage that around. That's my homework for tonight. Then we're gonna come back in, add some timing to the truck, get over that 3,000 RPM mark to run that S472 Charger, because it's kind of big, not real big, but it's gonna put down some power, right? Goes 900 rear-wheel horsepower. Got homework tonight. In a couple seconds, you guys are gonna watch dyno pull number 3 on the Mustang dyno. It's dyno time, boys. New day here at Point Blank Performance, but only a couple seconds longer in the video for you guys. Let me bring you up to speed. Last night, we looked at some data logs. We knew we needed to get the truck over 3,000 RPMs. Made some adjustments. They're in the truck. The truck's warming up on the Mustang dyno. You're about to see tune number 4 go in the truck. Now here is the set points. Corey's truck on a 72 with a 1.0 AR housing made like 860 rear-wheel horsepower. So let's start at 850. Now we gotta work up to it, right? The Hulk made like 820, 830 at 2,200 US. Okay, that's injector on time for the truck. We're gonna go about it the same way, apples to apples. So, tune 4, we're not gonna be 2,200 US just yet. We're gonna step into it. It's loaded to the truck. This will be the 3rd run for you guys. We'll go back to the computer, look and see at the numbers, and then let's go tune 5. Tune 4, here we go. Guys, that was tune 4. Here's the big picture, cut and dry. I looked at Garrett's run, the GI truck. That truck ran from 2,500 RPMs to 3,200 RPMs. What I like about where we're at with Ron's is this. I ran it the same exact way and I maxed out my power band, meaning you'll see here, 3,200 RPMs. I now can lengthen my run. I lessened up the load because out the back of the tailpipe, I got a freight train. We're good on fuel, like we're good. If I could spray it, we would probably pick up 300 horsepower. Like, we got the damn fuel. We've got to get the air just right. I have blown through it. I don't have any leaks. Everything's good. It just straight up Mother Nature, inline 6 truck. May add a little bit of timing, maybe a degree. We got just a little bit to play with, but 35s on 22s in the Mustang dyno. I'm gonna run it now to 3,300 RPM. I've got 50 horsepower, that's my gap. Can it make 50 more horsepower? I'm gonna be real with you. It's gonna be damn hard, but we're gonna run it one more time. This is tune 5, pretty much the damn hero pass, boys. That fucking Charger is screaming. I'd like to know the speed on that son of a bitch. That 100% gotta look at the log. That was beautiful. Oh, I gotta look at that. We're done. That's a 3,500 RPM pull. Oh, Terry. Yeah, the Charger's tapped out. I would say the Charger's probably fucking tapped out. What was that like? 4,000 RPMs out of a fucking S472. Damn. She's gonna be the funnest thing in the world to drive on the street. Racetrack. Because it's gonna be like a damn power band. Just keeps pulling, 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 and the transmission's gonna go, oh my God. That's awesome. So hey, I mean, you can around with it all day long. It is what it is. I'm happy with it. I ain't believing that shit. Like, subscribe to YouTube channel. We'll see you next time here at Point Blank Performance.